Tao Te Ching, Chapter 78. Chapter 78 of the Tao Te Ching contains profound philosophical wisdom, clearly illustrating Lao Tzu's central concepts of overcoming the strong with gentleness, dialectical harmony, and following nature. Let us examine Chapter 78 phrase by phrase. There is nothing softer or weaker than water, yet nothing is better at overcoming the hard and strong because nothing can replace it. This emphasizes that although water is gentle and soft, it can gradually erode and reshape even the hardest rocks, demonstrating the persistent strength inherent in gentleness. Water's true power lies in its flexibility and persistence, qualities for which there is no substitute. Everyone in the world knows that the soft overcomes the hard, and the weak overcomes the strong, yet no one can practice it. Although it is widely recognized that gentleness can overcome strength, very few people consistently apply this principle. The subtle nature of softness means its effects are less immediately visible, requiring sustained patience and perseverance, whereas people generally prefer quick results achieved through forceful methods. Thus, the sage says, taking upon oneself the disgrace of the country makes one the master of the state. Taking upon oneself the misfortunes of the country makes one the king of the world. Here, taking upon oneself the disgrace of the country refers to accepting challenges, criticism, or misunderstanding on behalf of the nation. Straightforward words seem paradoxical. Genuine truths and wisdom often appear paradoxical, contradicting common sense or conventional expectations. This expresses the essence of Lao Tzu's dialectical and counterintuitive thinking. Although conventional wisdom often discourages showing vulnerability or weakness, Lao Tzu does not advocate weakness or passivity. Rather, he highlights the inner resilience and sense of responsibility of a true leader. In other words, genuine leadership strength and authority are shown not just in displays of power, but also in the courage to confront challenges and misunderstandings directly, ultimately earning respect through concrete actions and outcomes. Taking upon oneself the misfortunes of the country means actively facing and addressing the disasters and challenges confronting the nation, reflecting true leadership and responsibility. The dialectical thinking illustrated in Chapter 78 resonates with the concept in Chapter 40. The reversal is the movement of Tao. This means when things reach an extreme, they tend to transform into their opposite. The movement refers to Tao's continuous process of change and transformation, emphasizing the dialectical balance inherent in everything. For example, strength at its peak inevitably gives way to weakness, and weakness at its extreme can evolve into strength. In summary, Chapter 78 of the Tao Te Ching vividly presents the importance of gentleness in overcoming strength, the value of accepting responsibility, and the wisdom of dialectical thought. These insights not only embody Lao Tzu's profound philosophical perspective, but also offer valuable guidance and inspiration for our lives today.